Welcome to Level Up Math for All. In this video, we are going to find area of a rectangle. Before that, we are going to learn a formula for area of a rectangle. The formula for area of a rectangle, which is nothing but A, the area is always represented as a capital A. It doesn't matter which shape of the area you're going to find, the area is represented with the capital A. So in this formula, the area of a rectangle is L times W or W times L. Both are same. Don't get confused if you see L times W or W times L. I'll explain in a few seconds what do you mean of L times W or W times L. Here in the below picture, if you see, this is the rectangle. Rectangle means there are four different sides are connected and the parallel sides are equal in length. But thing is, the longer side and the shorter side never be same. It means two sides are in size different with the two shorter sides here. So the thing is, if you call this is width, the parallel side of this one also we can call as width. If we call this one is length, we can call this one is also length because these two sides are same in size. So whether you multiply with length with width or width with length, both are same, right? If you multiply 2 times 3 or 3 times 2, the answer is 6. That is the reason why here the formula says length times width or width times length. So now you might not have any further confusion. So let's try to go and figure it out how we can find a area of a rectangle with given values. So we are going to find area of a rectangle in couple of seconds. Before we go on solve the problem, let's visit once again. What do you mean of area? The area of a rectangle is the measure of the region enclosed by the rectangle's boundary. So what is the rectangle boundary? Here is a length, one side, and there is a width, the side, width two. Here is another length, this is another side, this is a width two, this is another side. And the area which is covered between these closed four sides is called area. And here is the rectangle formula as area for the rectangle is A is equal to W times L or L times W. As I mentioned, W is width, stands for W, L is the length. Okay, let's solve a problem here. The problem which we are going to solve, what is the area of a rectangle with a length of 10 meters and a width of 5 meters? So the thing is, if you apply that information on the image, you see the length is 10 meters and the width is 5 meters. Now, the solution, we have a rectangle with the length is 10 meters, width 5 meters. The area formula we know it should be either L times W or W times L. That means length times width or width times length. So in the given problem, the length is 10 meters, the width is 5 meters. So if we substitute the values in the given problem, that is given formula, that is L times W, that is 10 times 5, that is nothing but 50. So the area of a rectangle is 50 square meters. Remember this, when you calculate the area of any 2D shape, if it is in meters, the answer will be in square meters. If it is in centimeters, the answer will be in square centimeters. So here we have 5 meters, 10 meters. The answer we got is square meters. So make sure that if it is a 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters, the answer will be 50 square centimeters. So the area of this particular rectangle is 50 square meters. Okay, it's your time. Can you solve this problem? What is the area of a rectangle with a length of 8 centimeters and width of 4 centimeters? Remember, previous problem we solved meters. Here I am asking a question to solve, in the sense find the area of a rectangle which length is in centimeters and width is in centimeters. Remember, your answer should be in square centimeters. Good luck. Please subscribe Level Up Math for All, like it, post the comment, click on the bell icon for future videos. Thank you.